Hanko Trade, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a pending order. So first things first, what is a pending order? Well, essentially a pending order is an order that doesn't execute right now, but does execute later on at a specific price point. So for example, we're going to take a look at the pound US dollar here, 5-minute chart, okay? So if I wanted to sell this market, I could easily just enter a sell position, that's fine. But that means I would enter at whatever price point I hit sell at. Okay, so that's if one-click trading is switched on. So, but say I don't want to sell right now, but I do want to sell a bit later on when price gets to this point here. I'm just going to pull out the crosshairs. So when price gets up to here, I would like the market, I would like to sell the market. So I would like to put a pending order right here at 1.25437. So how do I go about do that? Well, I find a price point, 25437. I'm going to right click the chart and I'm going to do entry order sell. Enter my lot amount that I would like to sell it as. So one lot, click OK. And there we have it. You now have a grey line. This line right here indicates this is a pending order. So if I just minimize that chart and go to orders here, you can see this is the pending order. So when price does go to this level here at I forgot exactly the right, 25437, when it does get there, I will automatically be triggered in to a sell position, and it even gives you the proximity, how far away it is. At the moment it's 17.6 pips away, or 17.1, 17.3, etc. as it changes. Okay, away. Now say I made a mistake, I don't actually want that order anymore. I can always just right click it here, click remove order, or I can even do it through the chart. So I can find the little flag, right click it, remove order. That pending order is now gone. Okay, and you could do this for either direction. Obviously, if you want to do it as a buy trade, say it goes down here, I would like the market to buy, I can just right click, entry order buy, set my lot amount, click OK, and there it is. Okay, so I'm going to remove that order. But say now, I would like when it crosses over this high here, this wick here, let's say when it goes above here, I would actually want it to buy. Okay, so say you have a breakout strategy, you can do that as well. Right click, buy. Click OK. It's now a pending order, so if the market goes above here, it's going to trigger me in for a buy. And let's say if it goes below here, I want it to trigger me in for a sell. So we hit sell, like so. Now I've got two pending orders, one sell, one buy. Simple as that. Now of course you can edit these orders at any point, okay? So you can always just right click, modify the order, and you can change the price point. You can do it by price or by pips. You can also add a stop loss, predefined take profit, again just by hitting stop or limit. So if I want to add a stop loss, I can add a stop loss into this order, just select the price point as explained previously. Same with take profit, just go to limit, and we were triggered in. Your entry order to sell one lot was executed. So now if I go to open positions, you can see we have that position has now opened. Okay, and if we go to the chart, it's no longer now a grey line, it's now a green line because this is an active live order. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.